Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee holds a Jai Hind Yatra to express solidarity with the Indian Armed Forces that carried out Operation Sindoor to avenge the Pahalgam terror attack. Hundreds of Congress workers led by MPCC President Kaicham Megachandra and CLP leader Okram Ibobi took out the rally from Congress Bhavan in BT Road and continued towards North AOC before culminating at Congress Bhavan. Speaking on the sideline of the rally, CLP leader Okram Ibobi said the Jai Hind Yatra was conducted under the directives of the AICC to show solidarity with the Indian Armed Forces, which is fighting terrorists. He added that the conflict is not against any country, but against the terrorists, and the Congress cannot tolerate terrorists, and Congress will support any action taken against terrorists by centre.
India government haibatai machina terrorist thengnabasida mathwai thadokong lei thengnabada yauriba Indian forces singse masidaida thongna hapa encourage tauba solidarity utpa adu masigi lan he kanagumba any particular country amagi against tawti kanagumba particular community amagi against tawba lan natieba purely any amada laisunu terrorist haibase India government gi particularly akoi Congress party gi di akoi tolerate tawba ngamoi any type of terrorist, either Islamic terrorist, Hindu terrorist, or any Christian terrorist. Terrorist haiba inhuman oibase masigi against the Congress party di matam puna magda lepte Jammu Kashmir gi Pahalgam tang kuni thoi de thokiba tawdok se madudagi originate tawbune ba masi thom dragadi sigi laibak thiba thok haiba tare masi thomoy adubu India government na hojik tawriba particularly Indian forces na tawise Pakistan da laiba innocent amata chokna na ba or Pakistan ki military base amata chokna na ba tawba na ba mada tangjabam lawrga shelter lawrga lairiba terrorist singo madu maru phangna muthakada bani haiba madugi pandam dudani we are not against Pakistan or against any innocent people.